Okay, I'm going to demo a new user interface feature to help drill down on information. So I'm going to go to the tour. I'm going to go to the number 3, fuzzy summation, transfer agent matching. Okay, and the data is loaded. Okay, I'm just going to go to the Crush tab to make this easier to demonstrate what's really going on here. So in this case, what we've done is we've matched these names, denver and denver here, and they both have 1,000 value. Okay, it's shares, it's number of shares, but it's basically the same issue, whether it's shares or dollars. So in this case, you'll see that there's a David Enver and a D Enver and a David Enver, Dave, D, all these different variations, and it matches them up by going through the names, finding common names, and then also checking with the math. So the math is 1,000 on both sides, so it matches it up. Okay, this has been in the demo for a while, but I'm going to take it just a little bit of a notch up. Now, before what I did is I clicked on these numbers, which is row 2 and row 4 of the original data. So I click on that, and it comes in. But now I'm going to just make it a little easier. I'm going to hold the control key down, now click on it, and now it comes up down here. So it's the same information, and I can change the size of that, and now it's lining up right there. So I can go now quickly through it and go control this, and now that pops up. Blake Robbins, B. Robbins, Blake Robbins, Doug Schiller. I got Doug Schiller, D. Schiller, Douglas Schiller, Doug Schiller, and I can reconcile these, and I'll just show you how I did that in a second, even though I've done this before in other demos. I'll do it again really quickly. So D. Smith, Sam Smith is on both sides, same amount, $3.99. Say it's perfect. Okay, and that's done. Denver. Now I could check it. This is what the advantage is. I control this, control that, and it's it's showing here 90% match, and you can see how Dave ends Zver, and it shows you all the different ways it was compared. So I can do a few different things here. I could just press this button, and now that's all these are marked as pending. P stands for pending, and now I'm going to move the pending to the final report by clicking that. So that's perfect. And now I can do Robbins. I can just click, I'll click this Robin here, 8-9, and then I can do it this way just to demonstrate how it works. Okay, and that's the same amount on both sides, 40. Again, it's perfect. And now P. Smith, I could click that and this. I could do it this way. If I want, I can click that, and now those are perfect. I can press the close pop-ups to get rid of them, and I got Doug showing control 3-5. And I have the data. So when I do this, I'm just really double checking it to make sure that it makes sense. So I can now press that. Well, actually, I wanted to press just that once. I had the control key down. So just this P there, and that's perfect. Okay, and that's it. I go to the final report, and everything is there. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I can go back to Crush now, and it's still there. And oh, actually, you know what I didn't do is I didn't move this one. Okay, I'll move it now. Now press the final report, and it's all in there. Doug Schiller's here. Okay, and this is P. Smith, Blake Robbins, D. Enver. It's all there. Come back to Crush, and that's it. It's done.